Have a good day everyone. Today we will see select all command, deselect all command, select similar command, and how to deselect one by one in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Press Ctrl key and A key, select all, exit, select all. Now right click, deselect all. Okay, now select rectangle, right click, select similar, exit. Now select circle, right click, select similar. Okay, exit. Again select all object. Now deselect command, shift key press and select object. Press shift key and select object. Press shift key and select object. Select object, select object. Now you can deselect one by one in AutoCAD. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.